What are you playing, Eli?
Garry's mod.
Alright. What are you doing on it?
Exploring Cartoon Cat.
Cartoon Cat? Oh, Cartoon Cat's scary. I'm glad he's not real. Hello? Cartoon Cat?
How does he know where we live?
I don't know. He's dropped off a Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Should we bring it inside and have a look at it?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a normal Happy Meal, but it's got scary Cartoon Cat pictures on it.
Yeah.
Oh, and it says Cartoon Cat.
Where's this red stuff?
I don't know. It looks like it could be blood. Oh, I think it is blood.
Ew.
What is it?
Cartoon Cat.
Is that a Cartoon Cat toy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary.
Daddy, I'm too scared. Can you do the rest?
Okay. Well, I think it's just a cheeseburger. Oh, Cartoon Cat burger. Ugh, what is it?
I don't know.
I think it's cat food. Ugh. Oh, and I think these might be cat bones. Ew.
Daddy, I think you might need to go outside and check if he's not there.
Okay. Can't see anything. Oh, what's that noise?